the end of a 25-mile day. I'm arriving in Jasper, Alabama now, and to give you a feel for what today was like, take a fan, take like one of those box fans, and put it right in front of yourself, and turn it on. I don't know, medium or high, doesn't matter. And then walk in place for 25 miles, and that pretty much was my day today. Oh yeah, the air that the fan's blowing has to be like 50 or 55 degrees. So it was kind of an annoying day. I'm glad that tomorrow's supposed to be windy too, and then it starts to cool down the next few days after that. Then it starts to rain, and then a few days after that I'll be in Memphis. So that's today. Tomorrow is tomorrow. Welcome to Jasper.